Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a new user and business email in Microsoft 365 Business. First, open your web browser and sign in with your Microsoft Administrator account. Admin.microsoft365. Sign in with your administrator account. Enter your username and password and sign in. After you signed in, return back to Microsoft Admin Center. Go to Admin Center. Click Show All option. From the left menu, click Users, then select Active Users. Click the Add a User button. Enter the user's information. Type the user's first name, last name, display name, and username. The username will become the user's business email address. Assign a license. Select the Microsoft license you want to assign to the new user. Next, and you can add also or edit also, optional setting. You can also add profile info. Next, review the information and click finish adding. The new user account and email address are now created. You can share the username and temporary password with the user so they can sign in for the first time. That's it. You have successfully created a new user and email in Microsoft 365 Business. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.